Florian, you told me that you tested Quicksave a few weeks ago,
Yes, I did.
and you know the function quite well.
I'd say so, yes.
Do you use it?
Actually, no, I don't use it.
Are you like most people and you just create a version?
Yes, exactly. Usually when I want to save something, I just create a new version.
But there are some advantages to using Quicksave. I'm a big fan myself.
I do know one advantage, which is that it doesn't make the history so messy, because you can just save your local changes and then afterwards create a version once the project is fully edited.
And it saves server space as well, doesn't it? 'Cause especially if you've got big projects, if you keep creating a version every day just because you want to back up or something like that.
Well, I mean, it still saves it on the server.
The default is 5 quick saves rolling over, so the maximum you can
Oh, I see.
put on, unless your
Maybe
administrators
5
change that number.
5 projects, yes.
Yeah, if it's a big one, 5 is better than 10, is better than 15, and you can delete them yourself.
That's true.
And you don't have to bother with making comments so that other people can understand them. You could just make the comments for yourself. I often put before lunch, or
You can actually write what you want. So nobody's able to read it apart from yourself.
and there's no danger that anyone's going to check it out and start using it if it's half baked.
Yeah, I never thought about that before.
And there's one more that I find quite convenient because I work on several computers often. You work on the same projects. You can easily go from computer to computer. You can do quick backup, a couple of clicks, and transfer your data from one computer to the next one. And in fact, any time you want to, with just a few clicks, you have a backup and also a stage that you can revert to at any time. And you can have up to 5 of them rolling over. That's with the default setting of 5 rollover quick saves. Or if your administrator decides to, that figure can always be increased.
So there's actually no disadvantage of using Quicksave, just advantages.
There's one little disadvantage potentially that I can see, and that is that you can forget that you made a quick save.
Oh, I
If
see.
you think about it, the version history is always there when you created a version. You see it always. So you have a constant reminder of what versions you created. It's right in front of your face.
So does that mean the Quicksave doesn't get deleted automatically after you've created a version?
That's true too, but it's not what I meant. It's just that there's no visual cue that you have a quick save.
Oh, I know what you mean, because you have to click the button first to
That's
open
right.
the menu. I see.
That's right. You have to go right click, quick save, manage, and then you see all the quick saves that you've created. So it could be that you think, oh, I'd love to go back to a stage or something, and then just if you're not in the habit of using quick save, you might think, oh damn, I've lost it. I didn't create a version.
Yeah, you forgot that you created it.
Yeah. But once you get into the habit of using quick save, then that's the first place you tend to look. There is another disadvantage, and that's the IT department, because the quick saves don't automatically get deleted or anything like that. And if you work on a lot of big projects and you have,
Uses up all the storage.
yeah, and then
I see.
the more projects you work on, the more and more storage you're taking with your quick saves, which are only temporary things anyway, and are not needed anymore. And then I quite often get a call from IT saying, could you delete your old quick saves, please?
Then again, you could sell this as a positive thing. If you work on big projects, instead of saving all of the projects locally on the hard drive, you can quick save them on the server, and then once you want to keep working on that project, you download it from the server.
So you're keeping your client archive clean by
Yeah,
deleting locally constantly.
exactly,
No,
exactly.
It took me a while, but I'm there now. That's a good point. Absolutely, yeah. Oh, that's fine. I mean, there are just so many advantages. I use it all the time.
I don't know why I haven't used it before.
Well, hopefully you will now.